Good evening guys. So medyo malayo-layo yung biyahe natin. So mag stop over muna tayo. Dito tayo magpapalipas ng gabi sa Old Station Inn. So it's built in it's 1861 this place. Pero ngayon, iba na yung nagmamay-ari at saka inano nang nila yung dating train station. So, nirenovate lang nila at niretain nila yung mga ibang gamit para makikita pa rin. Nandyan pa rin yung nalalabi na mga gamit. So, ngayon, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano ang meron sa kwarto. The Old Station Inn, Carriage Restaurant. So we are in room number 4. So Old Station meaning sa railway siya noon. Ang history niya is the railway before, steam railway. And then may mga pa-effect silang mga ganyan sa door. Tsaka merong mga bridge na mga paintings here like in New York City or in I think in New York City this one. Yeah. Broadway. Yeah, it's New York, United States. Yes. So, at ang room nila guys. Cute siya. Napaka-cute niya. Ayan oh. Diba? Sobrang cute niya. Oh, ganyan yung bed, double bed, at may maliit na table there. Okay, anong meron sa table niya? Meron siyang biscuits. Okay, and the mirror. Okay, at may malaki din painting dyan. May TV, parang Sugo Hotel lang. Andun sa labas, nakaharap yung parking. So, I think, ito naman is cabinet lang siya. So, let's see what's in here. Oh, toilet. Yan. Simpleng toilet. At saka may mga giveaway din siya, mga ganun. Mabango naman. Mabango siya, pero yung parang ano lang. Simple lang. Simple siya. Kasi hindi naman siya hotel eh. Okay. So, yun lang yung room namin. Sa labas, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron sa labas. Okay. Bye-bye. So, guys, yan yung restaurant nila. Diyan. Tapos dito sa baba, dito kami nag-stay. Ayan, yung pagpasok mo ganyan, yung room namin agad. Diba? Ang ganda. Puntahan natin si Mr. Splash. Hanapin natin sila. Malapit lang siya sa road. So, ayun si Mr. Splash. Ayun siya. Napagod yan si Mr. Splash dahil sa biyahe namin. So ito yung pinaka car park. Ayan. So, pasukin natin si Mr. Splash. Sweetheart, are you okay? Ang ganda. Maganda. So, syempre, Picture na naman. Picture kami dito sa labas at saka sa paligid. O, di ba? Ang sweet-sweet niyan. Kahit pagod yan, hala, ngiting tagumpay. Pero ganyan talaga yan si Mr. Splash. Masayahin, kahit pagod na siya. Basta, ang gusto lang niya na mapasaya niya si Shenday. Pasok tayo. Oh, kailangan pa palang pumunta dyan. Oh. Ang ganda kaya, guys. Napakaganda. Oh, dito muna. Diba? Galing. Wow! Siguro yung lutuan nila yan pag nag-ano. Kasi nasa countryside kami ni Mr. Splash, really. Countryside. Sweetheart. Yan, may mga kainan dyan.
You might as well while there's nobody in there.
So, akyatin natin ang mahiwagang train. Wow! Feeling nasa loob ka lang ng train.
Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. It's warm in here, isn't it?
Wow! Cute, no?
That's gorgeous, yeah.
Number 17. Sweetheart, our number. Wow! Wow!
This is beautiful.
Newcastle and Carriage Railway.
It's 1892. Seaside. Like a ticket.
So yan, yung old telephone.
Wow. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Nice. Sweetheart, let's take picture lah. As usual, guys, picture na naman si Mr. Splash at saka si Shenday, diba? Kasi ano yan souvenir, diba? Kasi life is too short, diba? Sabi nila. Kaya mga memories yan. Kaya dapat talagang merong picture.
Next door, the furthest one is the station house.
The other one's the new one, because it's right on the line.
That is, that is on top of the line, isn't it?
Yeah.
But down where the actual station was, there is the ticket office, and there's two buildings that would to the railway. Obviously, one ticket office, and I'm assuming it's either side of the line going both ways.
Can you get down there? Is it private?
It is private now. You can walk through the field on that side there, and you can see where they were originally. But it's owned by a brother and sister. It's called the Pitts, and you've got Steve and his sister. They have Jay. They have each of them own the old buildings.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na, guys, kung medyo madilim dito sa paligid kasi yung ilaw nila is dim light lang talaga. Pero dito sa loob makikita mo yung lahat ng naiwan nung old station andito ni-retain nito.
Oh yeah.
No, I just wondered if your mum ever doing that. So, because they, you know.
No, I'm doing anything because I want to see.
Oh, right, they know that, do they? How's Dan's leg?
So, dinner time na, guys. So, bago dumating yung order natin, picture na naman. Ganun talaga. habang naghihintay, o di ba sweet ng dalawang what is that? Figurines. Wow.
So that's what you call a meal.
A meal.